Here we have the squirrel. The grey squirrel with a bit of brown in him, eagerly anticipating his lunch. Notably, this squirrel lives within the province of the southeast, and partially different to his near relative, the red squirrel, totally familiar to his human neighbors, approaches diligently, waiting for his food supply. Not really advanced at catching this one. And there's the tree climber. And the bird we have there, the jaybird, the brown and blue speckled bird, eagerly anticipating his next seizure of food, checking his surroundings, making sure it is safe and free from any predator or competition vying for the same food source. As I place the food here, he backtracks to make sure it's safe until I close the window, then he can assume position to retrieve his food.